Welcome to Learning League.
What are we doing today?
Learning League. I forgot that.
Welcome to Learning League.
We're gonna put dots on each of these ones.
How many dots are we gonna do?
10.
10. All right, so she's gonna do a color in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You gotta just have 10 dots in there. So count how many you have already.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You have 8, including the blue one. So you need how many?
2.
2 more. Good job. Perfect.
And then grab yellow.
Yellow. Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Because you have the blue one. So you have 10. Good job. Okay. Now next. Keep going.
Grab a little bit more, then do I, and then A. That makes Sophia from Learning League.
Okay. So you did 10 dots in 10 circles. Do you know how much that equals?
No.
10 times 10 is 100.
100.
You did 100 dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And you did 10 in those dots, or in those circles. So you did 100 dots on your paper. Because 10 times is 100. That's pretty cool, huh? So let's count by tens. Ready? 10,
9,
20,
20,
30.
40,
Yes.
50,
Yes.
60, and 70,
80,
80,
90.
100.
Good job.
100 is the poem. I love you 100.
I love you 100. Should we do it one more time? Let's count by tens one more time. Ready? 10,
9,
20,
20,
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
100 is the winning one.
Good job.
100 is bigger than 1.
Yep. All right, we will see you guys next time. Click like and subscribe. Bye-bye.